Good evening, everybody. This is Patrick with Horrified Gaming. Tonight's video is a little bit different. I'm going a little off topic again, but y'all know me. Sometimes I gotta do it, whether it be for motivational videos that just touch my heart that I want to give to y'all, or this little tidbit for my fellow YouTubers. So stay tuned to find out this one little tip that could help maximize your view times and viewer retention numbers to get you better better ranking in search results on YouTube. Welcome back, everybody. This is Patrick with Horrified Gaming, and I'm coming to you tonight with just a little bit of an off-topic video. Something that I just discovered myself recently that's been kind of probably hurting me on my channel. And maybe it hasn't. Maybe I'm completely wrong on this, but I have noticed a correlation. So, what is it that gets you ranked in Google? Your title, your thumbnail, your description, your tags. All those are great. I've been working really hard on all of that. Just going through vidIQ and looking at all my numbers, and I've seen that my title, my thumbnails, and my description are all pretty good. Just judging by my analytics and my click-through rate that I've had, I've sometimes had like 25% click-through rate. When people are seeing my video, they're clicking on it. The problem is getting them to see the video. My view times have been down. My viewer retention is very low, and I finally figured out why. So this one little tip could help you rank higher in Google, or YouTube, excuse me, Google. Well, it could help you rank higher in Google too, because they're same entity. Anyway, so as you can see right now, I've got my homepage up, horrifiedgaming.com. Go check that out. There's a lot of nice little stuff there, including this little donate button. Hint, hint. Never mind. Don't. Anyway, so let's go check out YouTube. So if we come over here to YouTube, alright, and I got my home page up here. That's my other account. Switch accounts. Horrified Gaming. Yeah, I have a few accounts on Google. Okay, so here we are at Horrified Gaming. This is just my home page. We want to see my channel. So here's where it gets interesting. Okay, this is my channel, Horrified Gaming, YouTube. So as you can see, standard channel setup, So I'm going to go down here to one of my older videos because I don't want to mess with some of my newer ones, So well, let's take the no, let's just take this one for example. A little trailer I did back when I had the old game going. Anyway, so this is how I would. So I'd come here, and this is how I would check things out. So I'd look over here at what's going on here and whatnot to get my numbers, which I really should stick away from doing because it just messes me up. And then if I needed analytics, I'd click analytics. If I needed to edit the video, I'd click edit the video. If I needed to share the video, I'd click share the video. So the problem is, I noticed recently that when I did this on one of my videos, I clicked analytics. And when I went to the analytics page for that video, I noticed something. And let's see if it pops up here. It's not popping up right now. So you can see the audience retention on this one is pretty good. So anyway, if you're looking here, there it is. See? It's showing a view. What does that tell us? Well, that tells us that YouTube counts us as a viewer. Now, this can be a problem. And the reason this can be a problem is, if you do what I just did, you've watched only a few seconds of the video. So you can see the average view duration for this video is 42%. Okay? And it's only gotten 32 views, 40 watch minutes, but it's only 2 minutes and 58 seconds long. So I've got great viewer retention on this video because I put this video up and I left it alone. So here's the thing. If YouTube counts us as a viewer, we're hurting ourselves by clicking on our videos that way. Now, I don't know if I'm the only one that does this, or if y'all have done this, or what, but this is the purpose of this video. I'm hoping that I'm not alone here. If I'm not alone, please let me know in the comments below. I don't want to feel like I'm the only idiot out there who hadn't figured this out. So, basically, here's what I've come to a conclusion. If you click over here and go to, it'll say YouTube Studio. You know where YouTube Studio is, if you're a YouTuber. So if you go to YouTube Studio, you've got all your videos lined out here. And these are all great videos, by the way. You need to come watch those if you haven't watched them already. But let's take my latest video, okay? So I can click on that video. I've got the link to share it right here. I can change my thumbnail. I can change my description. I can change my title. I can do all this stuff here. And as you can see, my vidIQ is giving me suggestions for stuff. But we're not going to worry about that right now. So if I wanted to view this on YouTube, I could. But if we want to keep off of that, here's what we do. We just come over here and we can get this and we can share it. We can change whatever we need to edit it. Alright? And if we need analytics, we can always just click the analytics button. It'll take us to the analytics of the video. Excuse me. As you can see, I'm having pretty good viewer retention on this video as well. I'm at 32.4% viewer retention on this video. So, as you can see, we're updating live. I haven't had any new views except for these. Had 3 views and so on and so forth. So, that's nice. I'm glad. I've got 39 views, 79 watch time minutes. So, it's starting to get up there. And we're trying to keep boosting that. So, there you go. Now, if you want to embed a video, you have to have the embed code, unless you know how to do it, from the video itself. So my solution to this is when I upload a video, like when I upload this video here, I'm going to go ahead and watch the video one time all the way through. While I'm doing that, I'm going to grab my embed code and just make sure everything's a-okay with the video. That way I get a full watch through, a full view of the video to start off on the right foot, start off at that 100% view. I can like my video, and yes, YouTube allows us to like our own videos, so let's do it. That's extra like in there. Let's get it going. That's what I'm going to do from now on when I upload a video. I'm going to like the video, I'm going to watch it once all the way through, grab the embed code, I'm going to put the embed code in a little file on my desktop, so if I need to embed the video anywhere, I can. So that's basically it. Now I'm still testing this out, so I'm not sure if it's going to help me out yet, but we're going to see with this video. This is the test video. We'll see how I do. And I will keep you guys apprised and let you guys know how it's working out if I figure out any more tweaks that can help y'all out. And hey, if you like horror games, if you came to this video just looking for tips on YouTube, great. You're my fellow YouTubers, and I'm glad I could help you out if this video helped at all. But here's the thing: I am a horror gaming independent developer, and this is what my channel is about mainly. So if y'all like horror gaming, or you know somebody that does, check out my other content. Give me a subscribe. Throw a like on this video or my other videos. Send some comments my way. Let me know what you think. I'm always down for interacting with my subscribers or even people who aren't my subscribers. I just love people. That's why I work in customer service. Anyway, give this video a like if this helped you out. Throw in the comments below. Let me know if I'm not alone here. And maybe you have another solution to solve this problem. Let me know. Join the discussion. If you like horror gaming, give us a subscribe. And you know what? I hope to see you in my next video. For now, this is Patrick with Horrified Gaming. I'm out.